Hola, soy MICHAELJOSH y estás viendo GadgetMatch. ¿Eres fanático del Barça? Are you a... Wait a minute, we've already done this video before. That's because OPPO releases a special edition FCB phone every year except last year. And this year, we have another one. Saludos fans del Barça, bienvenidos al unboxing de la edición Fútbol Club Barcelona del OPPO Reno. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Alright, before anything else, let's peel this plastic off. Here it is, the OPPO Reno FC Barcelona edition. It comes in this red-blue gradient box. Here on the side, you'll see the OPPO logo and the FC Barcelona crest. That's because they recently renewed their partnership for another 3 years, so maybe 3 years more of FC Barcelona branded OPPO phones. Okay, let's lift this lid up slowly. Okay, maybe we need a bit more force. There we go. Oh wow, look at those colors. Of course, in keeping with the theme, apart from an embossed crest, we get blue and garnet stripes on this packet, which are the official colors of the club. Inside, we have the SIM ejector tool in the shape of the OPPO O and some user guides. Next up, the phone itself, the OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, but we'll set that aside for now. Let's see what else is inside the box. Oh wow, it comes with this really beautiful leather-like case. Wow, that really looks and feels premium. Other accessories include a braided USB-C cable with blue accents, a black VOOP charging adapter, and wired USB-C headphones in blue. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the phone. Peel this off, this too. Okay, that is gorgeous. I don't know if we're doing it justice on video, but in person, it looks great. It's almost like it's spray painted underneath the glass. The blue and garnet gradient spills on all of its sides too. It's really nice, guys. There's a subtle FCB inscription on the back. But let's not forget that beautiful case. This is probably one of the few phones that you wouldn't mind covering up no matter how beautiful it looks, because that case is even more badass than the phone design itself. It has cutouts over here and here, because in case you didn't know, its selfie camera actually pops up like so. Even that pop-up adopts the gradient, and at the back, of course, revealing the camera setup. If you know me very well, you'll know that red and blue are my favorite colors. It's a very beautiful phone that has them both. I love it. Roll spec sheet. Just like any FC Barcelona edition that OPPO's made, this phone comes with a special wallpaper and theme. If that's not your liking, you can change it, but why would you? It's an FCB phone. App icons look like this, and notification shade looks like this. The phone runs on Android Pie and ColorOS 6. One more thing, when you get a notification, like say when someone calls, you'll hear the Barca anthem play. Before we wrap up, let me quickly tell you about our sponsor, Squarespace. Whether you're building a portfolio, starting a business, or launching a new project, a website is still a must-have. Squarespace makes it easy to start from scratch with hundreds of professionally designed templates. And now that we've launched our podcast, She Said, He Said, I'd want to keep a way to keep our subscribers listening and engaged. With Squarespace's built-in email campaigns, we're able to send out letters whenever a new episode comes out. And when we're ready to sell merch, there's also e-commerce tools that can help us manage inventory, make the checkout process simpler, and payments more secure, so that the only thing we'd worry about is getting the product to you. Sound good? Head over to squarespace.com/gadgetmatch to save 10% off your first purchase. For more information about where and how you can get your hands on an OPPO Reno FCB edition, you can check out GadgetMatch.com. We've also done a hands-on video on the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom. You can click over here to watch that. And that was our OPPO Reno FC Barcelona edition unboxing. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And as I promised, we have a lot more videos from IFA still to come. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, soy Michael Josh. Gracias por pasaros por aquí.